Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can become a business loan broker and earn $10K to $20K per month. I'm also going to give you 7 of the best strategies to generate leads as a business loan broker. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Many people are tired of working at their jobs because there's no room for advancement. May also be experiencing fears of a layoff or prefer to be your own boss. Regardless, the idea of becoming a business loan broker is something you want to pursue. You must learn how to become a business loan broker, but that starts with understanding what they do. What is a business loan broker? Most companies have to borrow money at some point. They might be trying to expand the business or deal with cash flow issues. As a business loan broker, you help arrange the financing and loans for these types of clients. Sometimes you work directly with a lender, but some brokers locate different lenders to try to get the best deal. Regardless, you're compensated for your time and trouble. Generally, you receive a percentage of the financed amount. The good thing is that you do not need a certification to become a business loan broker, and as a business loan broker, you can work from the comfort of your home. So what are the advantages of being a business loan broker? Many professions have a stale pay rise schedule and start you at a small hourly rate. However, being a loan broker provides significant potential for growth and earnings. Successful brokers can easily earn 6 figures a year. With that, they are their own boss and can create a work-life balance that meets their needs. Learning how to become a business loan broker is easy. You don't need a huge startup investment, a finance degree, or many years of industry experience to get started. Really, you just require a passion for the job, appropriate training, a strong work ethic, and the right lender behind you. What are the educational requirements to business loan broker? There are no business loan broker college courses you can take. However, most lenders recommend that you have a bachelor's or associate's degree in business or finance-related subjects. If you don't have that training and want to apply, there's still hope. Many lenders take you under their wing and will help you learn the basics while you earn money. However, you should still research the different loan products the lenders offer. Understand how to fill out loan applications and analyze financial risks to the company you hope to work for. Another option is to specialize in lead generation. This is where you provide the lender with appropriate contact information for the lead. Someone from the company contacts them and completes the deal. Generally, you don't have a high commission for leads, but there is some opportunity to make money. Often, lenders who offer an affiliate referral program include marketing materials and training so that you can easily get started as a business loan broker. Should you open your own business? In the quest for learning how to become a business loan broker, you may read about opening your own brokerage. This can be tempting, but it's often a lot of work and not something you really want to do. For example, you must register the brokerage, focus on all the legal aspects, and deal with the IRS. Usually, it's much easier to find an affiliate referral or broker program from a reputable lender to work with. I placed a link in the description below of one of the best training on becoming a business loan broker. The training teaches you how to find the best lenders, but also how to find business loan leads. If you want to make $10K to $20K per month on a consistent basis as a business loan broker, you need to become an expert in lead generation. The first thing you need to do is to identify your target market. This is a huge industry and the target market is massive. It's a must to limit the target audience to generate top quality business loan leads. It's always better to start with one niche loan service. You'll have to decide whether you want to stick to traditional merchant cash advance or any other type of term loans. Traditional merchant cash advance is better for startups to make instant ROI as it pays better. Though comparing with term loans, it's a bit tough to get merchant cash advance leads, but as it pays well, it should be the first priority for any new broker. For term loans, as there are flexible loan programs with long-term paybacks with a better interest rate, this is what most of the merchants look for. But the approval rate for term loans is way too lower than merchant cash advance. Here are 7 of the best marketing methods which can help you generate business loan leads. Number 1, Google AdWords. Google AdWords is one of the most popular lead generating methods. But to generate business loan leads, Google AdWords is a bit competitive and expensive. So with startups, you need to focus on long-tail keywords with high traffic. Number 2, SEO, search engine optimization. SEO for business loan leads would be the most effective and long-term marketing method if the competition was less. SEO helps to bring your landing pages or websites on the top of the first page of Google. As a result, if somebody searches with certain keywords, they will see your website or landing page on top. But with this competitive market, it's quite impossible to stay on the first page on Google on business loan related keywords. The first page is already occupied by industry leaders. Number 3, social media marketing. Social media marketing includes marketing through Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. Social media marketing generates effective results to generate business loan leads. Though it's a bit costly, but it works a lot better than SEO and Google AdWords. It also has a competition issue, but it still is not that competitive yet. Number 4, email marketing. Email marketing is one of the best and cost-effective marketing methods. But to get great ROI of it, your email marketing needs to find the best email list and email marketing tools. A great email marketing script can help you generate a lot of business loan leads. It requires less hassle and less investment, but you definitely need a professional to build you a great email marketing campaign. Number 5, ringless voicemail. Ringless voicemail, also called a voicemail drop, is a method in which a pre-recorded audio message is placed in a voicemail inbox without the associated telephone ringing first. This practice is commonly associated with spamming and debt collection services. Number 6, Press 1 campaign. Press 1 campaign is also known as voice broadcasting. It broadcasts a pre-recorded message including an interactive voice response, IVR, etc. It broadcasts a message saying, "This is Brandon from ABC Capital. If you're looking for working capital for your business, press 1, or else press 2 to put your number on DNC list." As soon as someone press 1, it connects to your phone or your live agent. Number 7, cold calling and telemarketing. Out of all these marketing methods, telemarketing or cold calling is the most cost-effective, and call centers are a popular lead generation method to generate business loan leads. When you hire a good call center, they spend their day calling U.S.-based merchants and seeking for their interest in business loans. If merchants show their interest in business loans, they go ahead and qualify them for the type of business loan which will fit their criteria. Once a merchant is qualified, the caller or telemarketer transfer or schedule a call back with a closer. Some call centers only charge for qualified live transfers, which means you're not going to pay any single penny for any bad lead which doesn't qualify. That's how cold calling and telemarketing has become one of the most cost-effective business loan lead generation methods. The drawback is that some call centers like to sell the same leads to multiple brokers, so you have to be careful when picking a call center, or you can just create your own. And this concludes the list of the 7 most effective ways to generate business loan leads. You'll find below this video one of the best training on how to become a business loan broker. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.